7 Best Foods for Repairing Nerve Damage. Did you know that approximately 20 million Americans suffer from some form of nerve damage, affecting everything from mobility to cognitive function? While nerve health is often overlooked, it plays a pivotal role in maintaining our overall well-being. Your nervous system controls everything, from your movements and sensations to your digestion and even your heartbeat. It's made up of the brain, spinal cord, and a vast network of nerves that run throughout your body. Essentially, your nervous system is the communication highway of your body, sending and receiving signals to keep you functioning every second of the day. However, nerve damage can disrupt these essential processes. This damage can occur due to conditions like diabetes, autoimmune diseases, physical injuries, or even vitamin deficiencies. When nerves are damaged, you might experience symptoms like sharp pain, numbness, tingling, or weakness in certain areas of your body. Over time, untreated nerve damage can lead to chronic pain and impaired function. The good news is that your body has the incredible ability to repair itself when given the right nutrients and care. This is where diet plays a crucial role. Certain foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation, promote nerve regeneration, and protect your nervous system from further harm. So whether you're dealing with neuropathy, recovering from an injury, or simply want to boost your nerve health, the foods we'll discuss today are natural, accessible, and backed by science. Let's dive into the 7 best foods for repairing nerve damage. First up, we have fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for repairing nerve membranes and reducing inflammation. Omega-3s are a type of healthy fat that your body cannot produce on its own, making it crucial to get them through your diet. Here's how they help. Omega-3 fatty acids play a significant role in building and maintaining the myelin sheath, a protective coating around your nerves. This sheath is essential for transmitting signals efficiently. When the myelin sheath is damaged, nerve impulses can slow down or even stop, leading to symptoms like numbness, tingling, or weakness. Omega-3s not only repair damaged nerves but also support brain and nervous system health overall. In addition to nerve repair, these fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce chronic pain caused by nerve damage. Research has even shown that a diet rich in omega-3s can encourage the regeneration of damaged nerve tissues over time. To incorporate fatty fish into your diet, aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. Grill some salmon with your favorite herbs, enjoy a tuna salad for lunch, or try sardines on whole grain crackers for a quick snack. If you're not a fan of fish, consider taking a high-quality fish oil supplement after consulting your healthcare provider. Next on our list are leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These are nutrient-dense superfoods loaded with vitamins B6, B12, and folate, all of which are crucial for nerve health. These vitamins help your body produce neurotransmitters that facilitate communication between nerves and also aid in rebuilding the myelin sheath. This protective layer ensures that electrical signals travel smoothly and efficiently through your nervous system. Leafy greens are also packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help fight oxidative stress, a major contributor to nerve damage. Additionally, they improve blood flow to the nervous system, ensuring your nerves receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to repair and regenerate. One of the best things about leafy greens is how versatile they are. You can easily add them to your diet by tossing them into smoothies, sautéing them as a side dish, or using them as a base for hearty salads. For example, a spinach and kale salad topped with nuts, seeds, and a simple vinaigrette is a delicious and nerve-boosting meal. Incorporating leafy greens into your meals daily can make a big difference in your nerve health. Plus, they're low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great choice for overall wellness. Next, we have nuts and seeds, tiny, nutrient-dense foods that pack a powerful punch for nerve health. These are excellent sources of vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats, all of which play crucial roles in protecting and repairing your nerves. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage. This is particularly important because nerve damage is often linked to inflammation and free radicals in the body. Nuts like almonds, hazelnuts, and sunflower seeds are some of the best sources of this essential nutrient. Magnesium, another vital nutrient found in nuts and seeds, helps relax muscles and reduce nerve pain. It also supports proper nerve function by regulating electrical signals within the nervous system. For example, cashews and pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium and can provide these benefits. Nuts and seeds also contain healthy fats, which help maintain the integrity of nerve cells. Walnuts, in particular, stand out because they also contain omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties and ability to promote nerve regeneration. Snack on a handful of mixed nuts, sprinkle chia or flax seeds onto your yogurt or oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies. These versatile foods are easy to include in both sweet and savory dishes, making them a convenient way to support your nerve health every day. Let's talk about turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This makes it a go-to remedy for those looking to reduce nerve pain and promote healing. Curcumin works by reducing inflammation in the body, which is a major factor in nerve damage and chronic pain. Studies have shown that it can help alleviate symptoms of neuropathy, including tingling and numbness, by calming overactive nerve signals. Additionally, curcumin's antioxidant properties help protect nerve cells from further damage caused by free radicals. What's even more exciting is turmeric's potential to stimulate nerve regeneration. Research suggests that curcumin may encourage the repair of damaged nerves and support the growth of new nerve cells. This makes it a valuable addition to any diet focused on nerve health. You can easily incorporate turmeric into your meals by adding it to soups, curries, or roasted vegetables. For a soothing drink, try golden milk, a warm mixture of turmeric, almond milk, honey, and a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin's absorption. Avocados are not just trendy, they're a powerhouse for nerve health. These creamy fruits are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, and vitamins like B6, which are essential for maintaining and repairing the nervous system. Monounsaturated fats are crucial for supporting the myelin sheath, the protective layer around your nerves. A healthy myelin sheath ensures that nerve signals travel efficiently, reducing the risk of miscommunication between nerves and muscles. The potassium in avocados also plays a role in nerve function by helping maintain proper electrolyte balance, which is necessary for nerve impulse transmission. In addition to these benefits, avocados are packed with antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two major contributors to nerve damage. Vitamin B6 in avocados helps produce neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that allow your nerves to communicate effectively. Avocados are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Spread them on whole grain toast, blend them into smoothies for a creamy texture, or use them as a base for guacamole. Whether eaten on their own or as part of a meal, avocados are a delicious and nutritious way to support your nerve health. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are small but mighty when it comes to nerve health. These vibrant fruits are packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which help protect your nerves from oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to nerve damage over time. The antioxidants in berries neutralize these free radicals, preventing further harm. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of flavonoids help reduce nerve pain and swelling, making berries a natural remedy for conditions like neuropathy. Another benefit of berries is their ability to improve circulation. Better blood flow means your nerves receive more oxygen and essential nutrients, which are critical for repair and regeneration. Blueberries, in particular, have been shown to enhance cognitive function and protect the nervous system, making them a double win for brain and nerve health. Enjoy berries as a snack, sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal or yogurt, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie. With their sweet and tangy flavors, berries are a delicious way to give your nerves the support they need. Last but not least, we have eggs, a simple yet powerful food for nerve health. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, a nutrient essential for producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that facilitates communication between nerves and muscles. In addition to choline, eggs are rich in B vitamins, including B12, which play a vital role in repairing and maintaining the myelin sheath. A healthy myelin sheath ensures that nerve signals travel quickly and efficiently, reducing the risk of nerve-related issues like numbness or tingling. Eggs also contain high-quality protein, which provides the building blocks your body needs to repair damaged nerves. And let's not forget their antioxidants, like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. Incorporating eggs into your diet is easy and versatile. Start your day with a hearty breakfast of scrambled eggs, enjoy a hard-boiled egg as a snack, or add a poached egg to your salad for an extra nutrient boost. Maintaining optimal nerve health is crucial for overall well-being, as it impacts everything from muscle movement to cognitive function. Here are some practical tips to support and improve nerve health. Eat a balanced diet. A healthy diet is foundational for nerve health. Focus on foods rich in vitamins and minerals that support nerve function, such as B vitamins, especially B12, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients help maintain the protective sheath around your nerves, known as the myelin sheath, and support nerve signaling. Stay physically active. Regular physical activity improves circulation and supports the nervous system by delivering oxygen and nutrients to nerve cells. Exercise, particularly aerobic exercises like walking, swimming, and cycling, helps reduce inflammation and can even promote the growth of new nerve cells. Manage stress. Chronic stress is a major contributor to nerve damage, particularly through the overproduction of cortisol, a stress hormone. Incorporating stress-relieving activities like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can help lower cortisol levels and protect your nerves from damage. Get enough sleep. Nerve repair and regeneration primarily happen during sleep, so it's essential to prioritize rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to give your nervous system time to heal and rejuvenate. Hydrate well. Dehydration can impair nerve function, as water helps in the transmission of electrical signals across nerve cells. Ensure you drink enough water throughout the day, especially if you're engaging in physical activity or living in a hot climate. Supplements. If needed, consider supplements like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, and magnesium, which have been shown to support nerve health. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine if these supplements are right for you. By following these simple yet effective tips, you can promote better nerve health and reduce your risk of nerve-related issues in the future. Remember, small changes lead to big results over time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips on living your healthiest life. See you next time.